Lake of the Ozarks public boat access. Bagnell Dam access, Lake Ozark, Lake Road 5450, south of Bagnell Dam off Highway 54. Kaufman Beach access, Rocky Mount, Lake Road Y20, 14 miles southwest of Eldon off Highway Y. Gravois Mills access, Gravois Mills, on Highway 5 next to the bridge. Shawnee Bend Public Access, Sunrise Beach, on Highway TT, 2 miles from the community bridge. Public Beach Number 2, Osage Beach, Lake of the Ozarks State Park, off of Highway 54. McCubbins Point, Osage Beach, Lake of the Ozarks State Park, Highway 54 to Highway A, off Lake Road 833. Public Beach Number 1, Osage Beach, Highway 54 to Highway 42, Lake of the Ozarks State Park. Larry R. Gale access, Roach, Highway 54 to Lake Road AA to Lake Road AA 101D. Brown Bend access, Highway 7 to Highway DD to Highway FF on Lake Road FF14. For more information, check out funlake.com/marine/ramps.